This is cross stitch number 2, which is a little bit more sophisticated. So I thread my needle, lowering the left hand onto the right hand where the thread is. And I take it back probably more than about half because it'll use up a lot of thread, this. Now I'm going to turn over the material and put it vertically because it's easier with this stitch. Run the thread down the back so that you can secure it and take it to the front where you want to start stitching. Now you're left-handed, so the first thing you do is go diagonally across the stitch to the left side, come up the right, just one stitch away, pull it tight, you've got a diagonal, and then go down to the lower left and come up in the upper right. You see? So we'll repeat that now. You go diagonally across into the left stitch and come up into the right side and pull tight, then go down to the lower left and go up again in the upper right. So you're creating diagonals always in the same direction. Left, right, lower left, upper right. Diagonally left, right, lower left, upper right. And you can see I never take my needle to the back. I keep it in the front. I'd get lost if I took it to the back. I wouldn't know where to come up again. So my needle hand is using the needle and my helping hand is helping me get the stitches right. Left, right. You see, I take the stitch across, bring it through, and then I'm going to go in the other direction. Now I'm going to go to the back to finish off. Now you can see that all the diagonals, the top diagonals, are in the same direction, which is what you want for a nice cross stitch. I'm going to turn it over. There's a little bit of extra thread from where we threaded up to begin with. Snip that out of the way. And then push my needle down between the threads, between the stitches at the back. And then I'll be able to trim, and that will be neat. So there we are, cross stitch number 2.